Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Kraken Elite. Compare features side by side and decide which fits your needs. I'll walk through design, performance, and value with plain language and clear examples so you can choose fast. Expect simple measurements, real-world usage notes, and tips on maintenance. I'll highlight noise levels, cooling efficiency, and warranty considerations to help you match product strengths to your setup. Stay tuned and follow along for quick verdicts. Design differences between Kraken and Kraken Elite matter for installation and aesthetics. I'll describe case compatibility, radiator sizes, and connector types so you know what fits. Expect notes on RGB integration, pump form factor, and cable length to avoid surprises. I'll mention common mounting patterns and bracket options, plus tips for cleaner tubing runs and airflow. By the end, you'll picture how each model looks inside your rig and which matches your build priorities. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long builds or stress testing your PC with a leak-proof lid and easy carry design that fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. It's a small comfort that makes setup breaks nicer. Now let's get back to the video. Performance and value guide smart purchases when choosing between Kraken and Kraken Elite. I'll cover cooling capacity, pump reliability, and noise measurements so you can compare head-to-head. Expect practical benchmarks expressed in temperature drops, fan RPM ranges, and endurance observations to judge lifespan. I'll also weigh cost per performance and replacement part availability to reveal true value. The goal is a clear recommendation based on real trade-offs and typical user scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.